Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox the Mattel concavenator. So this is part of the Dino Rivals dual attack line, and it is one of the first lines of the Dino Rivals. So now let's unbox it. So it's really easy to take out of the package, and that's pretty good. So the first feature is that you press its back and its tail will move. You can also press a button right here and it'll chomp. Its arms move outwards and inwards. They move around 360. The legs move 360 as well. And just like the other dinosaurs, they move outwards as well as inwards. So along the whole body, it has this dark green, and then along here it has like a yellowish, kind of like gold. On here on the back it has like red, even where the yellow is, on top there's red. There's red outside the eyes, there's a nice yellow eye. And it has like little humps here, sort of. Kind of like a Spinosaurus or Allosaurus. And on the bottom there's a little bit of yellow until here. I kind of wish that it could have gone like along the whole bottom. Sadly that didn't happen. Here's the barcode. And that is it for this review. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please like if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.